up guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lisa, and in today's video we're going to be doing a hair video on this beautiful $20 synthetic wig in the style Kryssma. What I'm going to be doing in this video is basically customizing this wig, trying to make it look as natural as possible. And y'all, your girl was struggling. I was really struggling. But yeah, I really love this wig. It's soft. It does shed. It do shed a little bit, okay? But not too much. Not too much. But yeah, y'all, hope you guys enjoy this video. And comment down below what you guys think about it. Go ahead and rate it for me. And yeah, hopefully I see you guys in my next video. Okay, so y'all see this piece right here. I'm gonna cut it open because there's like a little plastic strip that's in the inside that's making the wig look bulky, and I'm just gonna cut that out. I'm gonna leave JayBabys video down below so you guys can see how to do it. I'm mad that I didn't put that in the video. I'm so sorry, but I'll make sure I'll put her video down below. So I got my color now. I'm going to try to flatten the top out a little bit more. I'm not going to leave it on there for too long because I don't want it to melt on me. So